What's up? In this lesson, we're going to add a frame to our cards, and then I'll show you them one by one so that you can see the final result. Great. So the first thing we're going to do is selecting the rectangle tool and insert that black rectangle around the card. It's important that we bring this layer backward. Don't worry if the entire card is black. Now, let's go to Shape Tools and select Custom Shape Tool, and particularly this one over here, which is a square with round borders. We're going to make it white and put it on the black one. As you can see, what we have now is a kind of double frame. Let's select now the Transform tool. You can press Ctrl T, and we are going to modify both frames in order to fit them. It's important we are careful so that everything fits in with. You can also make use of the guides that appear in Photoshop when positioning an image. Guys, make sure that the borders are similar and have the same thickness. This will help to make our design look more professional. Okay, and now the next step will be merging both rectangles in a single layer. To do so, we'll need to rasterize. So, right-click and then click on Merge Layers. This way, the frame will be in a single layer. What we are going to do now is applying this frame to the rest of the layers. Well, here we have our cards, and I'm going to show them to you. This one is the Huntsman. We've been inspired by the original to create this one, and we've included the logs and draw the cat hanging on the rope. Here we have the House of God. As the tower is tumbling down, in the original, we've decided to draw a kid holding on the boxes and making all of them fall down. Okay, in the original Templars car, there's a woman pouring water from a jar to another jar. And in our card, there is a kitty pouring water from a glass into a jar, which contributes to add a funny twist. To represent the lovers, we've drawn these two cute cats with their back towards us and they are in love. Also, we've included Cupid in the skies. We've used the same colors that in the original card so that our card looks more alike. Regarding the devil, we've copied the post of the original devil, but instead of including the two servants, we've decided to add an evil or comic touch by drawing the toilet tissue all messed up, some cards on the floor, and some scratch on the wall. Funny, right? So, here you have the 5 cards of our tarot. We could also draw the 22 arcana, but this is up to you. It's important that you come up with your own idea and reflect it on your cards, following the steps we've seen throughout the course. Also, you could draw your cards with another graphic style. Here I show you some examples of different styles that I've used for drawing cards. So, you can opt for using your own style or looking for others that you fancy. Well, guys, now you're more than ready to draw your own tarot cards, basing yourself on a particular graphic style and trying to reflect on them a funny topic. Hope that you liked the course, and I recommend that you upload your own projects to TootPad after finishing them and share them with us so that we can have a look at them. Don't forget that drawing is just a matter of training as well as you do with your body. So it would be great if you practice and draw on a daily basis. Don't get frustrated and be persevering. You'll become a great artist. See you in the following courses.